here at Vulture's Knob today with Andy. First time at the knob. Let's hope we come back alive for him. If not, well, I guess that's one extra plate at the wedding we don't need to worry about serving. Too well. Catherine might still go. Oh, well, yeah, that's fine. This is that creek bed I was telling you about. Jumpy! Woohoo! I heard your wheels up off the ground. Hell yeah! Hell yeah! Woo! Careful there. Rock drop. Woo. Yeah, check out this tunnel. It's awesome. Right? There's that double. That's the one I'm gonna hit today. Because it's not that bad. If you don't make it, you're not gonna die. I missed it last time. Oh shit, did I not start my fucking Strava? Oh man. That's a bummer. Fucking A. Whatever. Yeah! Yes. That was so awesome. Woohoo! You all right? Ah! Yeah! Oh shit! Yeah! Should be feeling like you're getting pushed a little bit out of your comfort zone today. That's a good thing though. I thought we both could, that's why I wanted to come here. Those little downhill sections are so sweet. That's not how to do it. once.
How was that?
Scary. It's not bad when you walk up to it. It's just, it looks way worse. Problem is that once you commit, you gotta commit. Yeah, because there's no way off of it. If you're not going fast enough and you don't make it, you're kind of fucked. Maybe I should not today. The wedding's pretty close. Yeah, let's skip it today.
The only thing I don't like is the lip.
The lip is, yeah.
I don't mind the end of it so much, at least for this one. It's the end, it's the approach. Like, this is fine, and all of a sudden it changes.
Yeah. If you wobble it all going down, you're not going to make it up. That's my fear. Woo! Keep going. You can do it. Fuck. Oh, this part sucks. Super cool, but it sucks. Hey. Power line! Woo! Jesus. Yeah, buddy. You got it.
Jesus Christ.
Fuck yeah, dude.
That 1,000 times.
What was that?
Fuck that 1,000 times.
Go, 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 go. Dude, look how fucking high that one was.
That bridge.
Hell yeah, dude.
That bridge 1,000 times.
Dude, you killed it, man. Hell yeah.
Oh my God.
I was terrified the whole time across it. The irony is that if we stay on the expert loop, guess what? We ride under that now. Wow, dude.
It's like a heart pounding.
If you would have seen it from my angle when you were crossing it, it would have been pounding even more. It looks way scarier. When I was watching you cross it, I was like, oh. Because I just came across it and I'm like, whoa.
really realize how high it was until I was halfway across it.
Same.
Which is potentially the worst time to realize how high it is.
Oh yeah, because I was like halfway across, I was like this. I was like, whoa, a little bit of a little.
You ready?
No, I'm definitely ready.
Making it clear that you're going to be leading.
Stay off the front brake, that's all. Okay, this isn't too bad yet. Hey?
I just said hang on 1 second. I want to let you know I wasn't like dying or anything. You alright? Did you wreck?
No, I didn't. You?
Oh, no. I just didn't do any of it.
Oh.
I looked out, I was like, nope.
The rest of it's not bad. That section you just came through was a little... What was that?
If you want an epic picture, that's your picture. I think that is the most you're going to get justice out of the camera of how high that bridge is.
Yeah, I think so too. I'm going to stop right here and take a picture. Yeah, no, it's really shallow. You could ride the rest of the way down here. Oh yeah. Just think of Burn Peak, man.
Loose, sketchy, fucking...
Stay off the front brake, you'll be fine. Just drag the rear, let the rear drag. Worst thing you could do is touch the front, that's for sure. Oh yeah, that bridge is some sketchy shit. Well, it still doesn't look like shit, but... Now you can say you rode a half pipe. Here it is, buddy. Totally gonna do it. Maybe just here. I don't think I need to be really fast. I think I just need to. Although you probably wouldn't be fast enough to carry your speed.
Please don't die.
Yeah, I'm gonna try not to. It's kind of the goal. Woohoo! It's actually not bad at all. This sketchy suspension bridge was fun. Got a picture. Oh, come on. I mean, I rode across it. This is gonna be the best Vulture's knob video ever. This definitely moves quite a bit. I mean,
oh, the planks move under your feet.
Yeah.
Oh, boy.
Gotta admit, it's a cool place. Whew. Maysville. Little drop. Oh. I gotta stop for a second and check something out. I feel like my saddle wasn't all the way actuated. Yeah, look, it's jammed up. Oh no, it is. There's the seals busted on. Look at it. Yeah. The seals coming out of there, that's why. There we go. Who needs an O-ring? Who needs a dust ring anyways on dropper posts? Amateurs, that's who. Real men don't use them. They just run their post into the ground and buy another one. I'm riding like a sponsored rider now. You all right? Wait till you see it, dude. I got my front wheel up over it, but couldn't go anywhere else. Amazingly enough, getting the front wheel up wasn't bad, but once you get your weight back, I couldn't do anything else. I was like, okay. rollable drop up here. Stay off your front brake, you'll be fine. It's nowhere near as bad as it looked.
I don't know what it is today, you don't. All right. I want to do anything dangerous. Unless I don't find out how dangerous it is till halfway across it.
Right, that was fucking amazing.
Not if it's dangerous.
No, it's dangerous. This whole place is definitely... Oh yeah, we're almost to the end now. Probably about another mile. The furnace is a scorcher though. Not a hard climb, just a long grade. Definitely do a second lap. I mean, why not? Look at those blackberries right there. Whoa! Go around that rock. I didn't. It was, wow.
And there you have it, an overview of Andy's first time at Vulture's Knob. If you're looking for the most unique place to ride in Ohio, look no further. Until next time, ride safe, ride fun, and see you on the trails.